How to comment GIFs on Instagram. First of all, open Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Head over to the application. So right here you need to make sure that your application has been updated to the latest version. Once the application has been updated, go back and head over to Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Now let's say you want to comment GIFs on this post. Tap on this comment icon. At the right side of the screen, the option of GIF will be visible to you. Tap on it. It will show you all of the GIFs that is available on Instagram. Right here you can also search for the GIF that you want. Let me search for amazing. From here, select any of the GIF that you want to add to the comment. Let me tap on the very first one. There you go, you can see that the GIF has been added to the comment successfully. So this is all for today and this was a tutorial video on how to comment GIF on Instagram. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.